So this trade is a perfect example of why just following the plan can result in a win, even if your bias is completely wrong on the day. So welcome back to the Daily Nugget. It's day 115 of 365. And let's break down the short play on gold that I took on the 8th of April. Starting on the daily, this was a weekly key opportunity that I shared. We had obviously swept this low, come into this fair value gap. I said we could either break higher from here because technically we are in that discounted area, or we could come a bit deeper because low time frame structure hadn't shifted yet, and then trade higher from, that deeper discounted region. Coming down into the 1 hour, I was looking for those counter trend shorts, and so it was a pretty textbook 1 hour range play. Came into this order block, not the best order block, but valid nonetheless. 15 minute swept that internal time-based liquidity at the open of New York session, and then we sold off quite nicely, took some risk off the table, but profit target was ultimately reached later during that session. And so what followed was just a very sharp reversal, and my bias was ultimately wrong on the day because this was, technically a bit of a protraction at the open of the session before we then, got the move higher. And so what could I have done better on the day? On the short, probably nothing. Grateful that I didn't take an L because I was technically wrong. The fact that this just hit my take profit and reversed, probably a bit of luck because stops could have been a lot wider. But in terms of the long and missing that, gold's got this tendency to kind of just run when it's going. And so we hit those daily equal highs fairly quickly, and there was no entry that met my plan on the day. We managed to get that, great. But I needed something a lot deeper to correct for me to have been able to take that. But a great short nonetheless, and glad I walked away with something on the setup that I shared. Remember guys, consistency is the choice you make when you start doing the things you should be doing day in and day out.